Hey guys, it's Brandon. So yesterday I was telling everybody it's bullish, everything's about to go crazy. We just had a flash crash where the V overnight, which I'll show you in a second, recovered higher on the bounce than on the dip, which means we are now into bull territory. And I was telling everybody last night before close, I was texting everybody, buy, and people were kind of thinking I was nuts. Right now, the S&P 500, according to the SPY ETF, okay, this is the one that everybody trades options on, is already higher than last night at 8 p.m. I'll go to another website here and show you. Let me show you something here. Give me a second. Okay, this is the Robinhood charts, which show true overnight. And you can see it's going straight up, so that's from 12 midnight. And if we back up to a 1 week, you can see there, so it was just a flash crash. But the biggest thing that I want to point you towards is Bitcoin runs the S&P 500, as I've been explaining. So I'm going to show you another website called CoinGlass, and this is really what allowed me to figure out what was going on. CoinGlass, now I don't have the other footage, maybe I do, maybe I took a screenshot of it, but this has all the different what do you call it, exchanges on that carry Bitcoin and what they're, okay, so right here you can see all the exchanges combined, they've just lost 2,000 Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. That means people are gobbling it up. Now yesterday, as Bitcoin was approaching its all-time highs at the 88,000 or whatever it was, not all-time highs, but the relative highs for the moment, it was down 8,000, okay, because this was 219, okay, prior, and it came down. So it didn't matter which way they took Bitcoin, people are buying it either way they go. And so if when I woke up this morning in the middle of the night, if that would have been a positive number, then they would have continued to drop it. But as they're dropping it, people are still buying it. So it doesn't matter if they're taking it up or they're taking it down, it's getting gobbled up. So at that point, they're going to take it way high because they want people to sell, and so they've got to go up to the next tier. Okay, so they're going to go ahead and now they're going to peak it. They're going to take it up because taking it down didn't work. And so that's really important to understand that Bitcoin is what's running the show. Just give me a second here. Yeah, so we're almost closed yesterday at 4 p.m. It closed at that's not the right. So today's the 16th, there's the 15th. Yeah. So it closed yesterday at 538.39. Okay. And so now we're already to 535.78, and it's going straight up. So before market open today, the S&P 500 is probably going to be green. And so I told all my friends last night, I was like, it's the bottom buy. Let me see what else I got here. I can show you. Let's go look at, and what's interesting is the stocks that I was pointing everybody towards, which was Wolfspeed and Smci, is having the biggest potential to really explode. They both have, they dipped very little yesterday, whereas everything else was dipping big. They didn't dip that much. Like Smci went from 33 down to 31, and it's already recovered back to 32, 33. Okay, so it's in a good spot. And then let's see here. Wolfspeed, same kind of situation. It was at 2.28, and it closed at 2.27. It's currently at 2.22. So it's already, and it got as low as 2.16, which did not fall below its previous low for the week. So it's, because 2.11 was where it was the morning before, and I've been telling everybody to buy Wolf. 2.11, so it's double bottomed at 2.11. Actually 2.060, that's where it was at its lowest. 2.060. So it first did a double bottom at 2.060, then it did a double bottom at 2.10, and now it's up to 2.16 is where it just, so Wolf's looking good. It's shaping up. So anyhow, but I think the whole market's going to rally today. If not by Friday, I think it's going to explode. What's going to end up happening, and I mentioned this before, is I think Powell is going to raise rates. Everybody thinks he's going to lower rates. No. He's going to raise rates because they're quote unquote trying to save the bond market, but in reality, they're just keeping the stock market from rallying. The bond market's toast. I've been telling everybody the bond market's gone for months now. I've been telling everybody to get out of bonds. We'll see how many people listened. I don't know. All right, see ya.